Hi, I'm Merrick Lusk. I'm a student at Southeastern Louisiana University. I'm a physics and mechanical engineering major. I'm going to show you how to solve this physics problem. So the question is, the phasor diagram for a particular RLC circuit is shown right here. If the circuit has a resistance of 100 ohms and is driven at a frequency of 60 hertz, find the current amplitude, the capacitance, and the inductance. Start off to find the amplitude, or the current amplitude, that is labeled as I. To find this, it would be I equals VR, which is the voltage across the resistor, over R, which is the resistance. We plug in the given numbers. So VR would equal 10 volts, so 10 volts over 100 ohms, which is given in our problem for our resistance. When we plug that into the calculator, we should get 0.100 amps. That is our current amplitude for the whole circuit. Now we need to find the capacitance. To find the capacitance, we first need to find the capacitive resistance, which is XC. XC equals VC over I. VC is our voltage across the capacitor, where I is our current amplitude of the whole circuit, which we had just found in part A. When we plug in these numbers, which would be 7 volts over 0.100 amps, we should get we should get 70 ohms. Now we need to find the actual capacitance itself. To do that, it would be C equals 1 over 2 pi FXC. F is equal to our frequency, which is 60 hertz. XC is our capacitive resistance or reactance, which we had just found. So now we plug in the numbers. 1 over 2 pi 60 hertz 70 ohms. This should give us an answer of 3.79 times 10 to the negative 5 F, where F in this instance stands for farads. Now for the final step, we need to find the inductance. The inductance, similar to the capacitance, we need to find the inductive reactance, which would be XL. XL equals VL over I. VL is our voltage across the inductor. So we will plug in 15 volts over 0.100 amps, which should give us 150 ohms. Now that we've found 150 ohms, we need to find the actual inductance itself. So L is labeled for our inductance. L would equal XL over 2 pi F. We plug in these numbers, we would have 150 over 2 pi 60, which should give us, when we plug it into the calculator, 0.398. H stands for henries. With that done, we have solved the whole problem with all of our work and formulas shown. Thank you.